Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. On today's episode, we are going to unbox the micro USB to USB Type-C converter by Samsung. So let's look at the box real quick. It's a small box, but looks like a phone box, I guess. That is standard to Samsung. I can show you a phone box. This is the phone box by my phone. Right here. Right, so this is the back of it. Like we can see, micro USB connector. We have some Samsung stuff right there, and some warnings.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Or labels. Alright, so let's open it. Alrighty, so now the seal is open. So let's see inside.